In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals on two middle key. So two middle is the S key on your keyboard. We have this two hyphen, which are these fundamental keys, the fundamental radicals. And we also have two five. Five is the middle, so two five. Okay. Let's begin with this first character. This one, this two is left turn, so this one we have a left turn right here. So if you would like to type this character, you hit two middle and enter. Oh, sorry, space. Yeah, and you have this one. Okay, continue. This stroke right here is also a left turn, and the first stroke of this character is a 9. So we get this. This character is also 9 in Chinese. So this is 9 left falling and 2 left turn. So 9 2, and they are all in the middle row. So we hit 9 middle, and then 2 middle, and space. The first one. Okay, continue. This character is a little bit complicated, but you don't have to worry about that. Let's take a look at the left upper. The 4 strokes here. We have 9 left falling and 2 dots, 6 6, and the last stroke is left falling. So it begins with 9, end with 9. So this radical is 9 9, and 9 9 is at 9 lower. And continue. This one is 5 right turn, 5 and 6 dot. Okay, so this one is 5 6. 5 6 is at 5 lower. So we hit 5 lower key. Okay, continue. We have a lid right here. So lid fundamental key, we hit 7 middle. Alright, so we've done 3. 1 2 3. And we have the front 3, rear 1 rule. So we go to the last one. This one here is 2 left turn. So we hit 2 middle. And the first one. Okay, continue. The left hand side, this one is 2 8. So we hit 2 lower, begins with 2. I know these looks like dots, but the original term is 8, 3, and 8. So this is 2 8. 2 8 is 2 lower. And here is 2 6. You can see 2 left turn and dot 6. So this radical is 2 6. So still we press 2 6, 2 lower twice. So we've done 3. We go to the last one, this one here. You can see this vertical here is also a left turn. So we hit 2 middle and space. Alright, continue. This one, this hook here goes a little bit up, but this stroke here is also a left turn. So this is 2. So we hit 2 middle. And here is a vertical, so fundamental key 3 middle vertical. Okay, and the right hand side begins with 9 left falling and end with this stroke right falling. So this is 9 8 on the right hand side. 9 8 is at 9 lower and space. Alright, next one. The first radical we're looking at is 5 1. 5 here, you can see right turn 5, and here 1 horizontal. So 5 1 here is a radical. 5 1 is at 5 upper. Continue this stroke. We have the same that like this one. So this is 2. This is also 2 left turn. So we hit 2 middle. And here's a horizontal. So we hit 1 middle. And the last stroke here is a hook here. So this one is also a left turn. So we hit 2 middle and space. Alright, continue. This one was the hook, so this outer shell is also 2 middle, so we hit 2 middle. And here middle we have dot 6 dot, so we hit 6 middle and space. Okay, continue the right upper corner. This radical is also 2 fundamental key. So we begin with the left hand side, begin with dot 6 and end with square. So this one, this character, this radical is 6 0, and 6 0 is at 6 upper. And here the radical 2 middle, and the last one you can see here we have 5 right turn and end with 8 right falling. So this is a 5/8, and 5/8 is at 5 lower in space. I continue the lower part. You can see here these 2 strokes with this hook is also 2 middle, the fundamental key. So if you would like to tag this one, we press this square. So this 0 middle fundamental key, and the lower part 2 middle and space. Okay, the next one we can see the first stroke here and second stroke here with this hook. These 2 strokes is a radical that is in 2 middle. So let's begin. The very top we have 7 lit, so we hit 7 middle, and here's square in the middle, square as 0, so we press 0 middle, and the last radical right here, these 2 strokes is 2, so we press 2 middle and space. Okay, and the next one is exceptions. This radical on the left hand side is not following the rules. We have some exceptions, so you have to memorize. Okay, so if you would like to type the left hand side this radical, we press 2 middle. And continue, we have 5/1. You can see here's 5 right turn 5 1 1. So this one is 5/1. 5/1 is at 5 upper. Okay, and continue, we have this hook here, so this is 2, and we have 2 dots in the right direction. So this radical is 2/8, so 2/8 is at 2 lower. Okay, let's continue to 2/5. Okay, so 2 is left turn. You can see this one left turn, and 5 is right turn. So the frame of this character 2 and 5 is the frame. Okay, so 2/5 is at 2 middle, and the rest you can see begins with 1 horizontal and end with dot 6. So the second radical is 1/6, and 1/6 is at 1 lower and space. First one. Okay, so this one the same. We have this frame 2/5, so we hit 2 middle, and here in the middle is a cross, so we press 4 middle cross. Okay, the first one. Okay, so same thing here in the middle is also 2/5 and cross. Okay, so we begin with very top. We have dot 6 and 7 lit, so this radical is 6/7. 6/7 is at 6 lower. Okay, 2/5 the frame, so 2 middle and cross in the middle. So 4 cross, fundamental key, 4 middle. And the last one, this one is 7, 8 because this one is 7 exception, and we have 8 at the end. 7, 8 is at 7 lower in space. Okay, so that's all for the radicals of 2 middle key. We have 2 hyphen, the fundamental keys, fundamental radicals, and 2, 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.